So I have this charger right here, and I use this power supply adapter. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn on the light. Look at this. So you could purchase yourself one, the model, get the model, write it down, and I have this thing right here. Right here. As you can see, you see how the green light, LED light blinks, right? Just one. Alright, I'm gonna connect these right here. We can pause it real quick. And now that as you can see, it's on, it's connected, it's green light. And I'm gonna turn the phone light off so you can see the light, LED light turns on. You see how I did that? Let me do it again. See? There's two other LED that it just went up. Right there charging.